Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image. Duplicate the original, then open Photos and enter Edit. Use the Remove Subject or Visual Lookup feature immediately. It finds people automatically. Once selected, you tap the Subject Removal control and let Apple Intelligence analyze background patterns. This first pass removes obvious foreground people while preserving texture. Make sure to work on a copy so you can compare results. If the subject blends with background shadows, the next steps will refine edges and fill gaps accurately. Once done with the automatic removal, refine the mask manually. Switch to brush or lasso tools to include missed pixels or erase excess. You adjust the selection by small increments, expand or contract by about 5 to 10 pixels to avoid halo edges. Then apply content-aware fill or repair so the algorithm samples nearby areas and reconstructs consistent texture and lighting. Make sure to zoom to 100% and paint tiny corrections where patterns repeat, because those micro-adjustments prevent obvious cloning artifacts. To finish, compare the edited image to the duplicate original and toggle visibility to confirm a natural result. Inspect edges and highlights. If repeating patterns or lighting mismatches remain, use Clone Stamp or Spot Heal to manually copy texture and correct exposure. Once satisfied, export or save a version copy. If things go wrong, like blurred detail or visible seams, revert to your duplicate and repeat the process with smaller, incremental edits. That minimizes algorithmic guessing and preserves realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.